Pretty stripes.
He loves it.
Yeah, he loves it.
When he purrs, that's how you know he's happy.
Yeah.
He's scared.
He's sad.
See us, I think.
It's okay, Otis.
That's nice.
He got sharp claws.
Mm-hmm.
He got sharp claws.
Very sharp.
Yeah. Don't pull on him.
He loves her, you can tell.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, gentle. Not so loud.
That's how you meet a kitty. You come up nice and quiet. And very
He's gonna
gentle.
know.
Yeah.
A nose. He sure does have a nose.
He got your baby.
Kitty's almost as big as you.
Yeah, that's what I said. He's almost 20 pounds. She's about 25.
Bigger than
So
Ashlyn.
sweet.
Yeah.
He's taking the
So licking you? Yeah, who's just licking her?
Aww.
He's taking me.
He's tasting you.
You taste good.
If he's gonna be friends with you, he wants to make sure you taste good.
He got a sticky nose.
You got a sticky nose. How do you know? Like you sticky your finger in it.
Careful.
Gentle. Careful.